Imagine bringing your friends, your wedding party, or your team to a place where the creativity flows as freely as the perfume. At the 7 Virtues, our mission is to empower you to flourish, to find your own creativity, and express it through scent. Every guest receives a beautiful twilly scarf that you spray at the end with your bespoke perfume to remember this magical day. You and your private group are going to create your own signature perfumes made with exclusive blends like our Oud Santal and our perfumes famous around the world at Sephora. Group events get a lot of goodies. You get 20% off, you get a copy of my book, you get the branded scarf, you get the mocktails, mimosas, play your playlists, and everyone goes home with their own bespoke perfume.